Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica, give me another reaction. Ooh. So today on Thursday, and it wouldn't be right if we had a reaction and don't do a throwback. The one I dropped 4 years ago when the teacher that was behind the bars. Temptation. Yes, Vybz Kartel, Temptation, featuring Roxxie and Yowlevite. I hope I'm saying the name right. Or Yowlevite. Let's jump in the one and see what I got. Let's go.
And when he had fasted 40 days and 40 nights, he was afterward and hungry. And when the tempter came to him, he said, If thou be the Son of God, command that these stones be made bread. But he answered and said, It is written, Man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceedeth out of the mouth of God.
All right.
The devil is a lie, him attempt me. Bring the whole world to present me. Me tell him my nass and my soul here the boy.
So you can't make me rent it.
And when he had fasted 40 days and 40 nights, he was afterward and hungry. And when the tempter came to him, he said, If thou be the Son of God, command that these stones be made bread. But he answered and said, It is written, Man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceedeth out of the mouth of God.
Temptation.
The devil is a lie, him attempt me. Bring the whole world to present me. Me tell him my nass and my soul here the boy.
So you can't make me rent it.
No.
Platinum sales. If you switch by your family, what you get to feel? Bow to me.
Oh, buckler. Look what the deal we're going to get. Look what the deal with the devil offer him. Them things happen in real life, you know. You see some man just get boom, I just get rich all of a sudden, and couple man around them drop dead, and you don't know what soul I sell.
Bring the whole world to present me.
Soul I sell.
Me tell him my nass and my soul here the boy.
So you can't make me rent it. Platinum sales. If you switch by your family, what you get to feel? Bow to me.
Platinum sales. So you might go sell platinum. If you switch by your family, that's how I go on.
Make me rent it. Platinum sales. If you switch by your family, what you get to feel? Bow to me and you can't go to jail. Much less I look pale. You what time your blood clot waste.
Man say bow to me and you can't go to jail. Furthermore, what you look pale?
Bow to me and you can't go to jail. Much less I look pale. You what time your blood clot waste.
Suck your mother with the chicken. Vanity could have never turn me in a traitor. Devil, why?
Man says, suck your mother with your tricking. Suck your grandmother too. Run on your father naked with your tricking. Go and go make somebody massage you. Me not do it a blood clot. Go.
Your blood clot waste.
Suck your mother with the chicken. Vanity could have never turn me in a traitor. Devil, where you want me tell you get to you that far. Run back up ali who generally like
Me
what?
still a win, can enough sell out the bow.
People
Bumbo clot. Run back at who? Politicians? No, guess what? I'm the voice of the people. So me not gonna tell you them not to get off his switch. And the fuckery. Make you, Mr. Devil, have theme with the youths them. That now go on a blood clot. Cartel.
with the chicken. Vanity could have never turn me in a traitor. Devil, where you want me tell you get to you that far. Run back up ali who generally like
Me
what?
still a win, can enough sell out the bow.
People are suffer.
Man say me still a win, cause enough sell out the boy. Him still a win, cause enough sell out the boy. So even though the teacher not go sell out, enough other people sell out. So the devil say him still a win, cause enough of them the boy.
Run back up ali who generally like
Me
what?
still a win, can enough sell out the bow.
People are suffer and that's how you dummy. Real lesbian, fake pain relief, cocaine, heroin, alcohol, tobacco, tomorrow stress again, crime rise, death again.
I mean, break the
Yeah, man. Today, you go to boom and take a island something there and relieve the stress. Tomorrow, it back again. You're back where you left off. So try find help. Don't try about my car, make it ever sign
the
you.
bow.
People are suffer and that's how you dummy. Real lesbian, fake pain relief, cocaine, heroin,
Fake pain relief. Cocaine.
alcohol, tobacco, tomorrow stress again, crime rise, death again.
I mean, break this again. Me no force nobody me offer it. Them take it and run. Cold-hearted people. Them
Man say him no force nobody. Devil say him no force nobody. Him offer it. Them take it and run. Because the offer where him a give them, it too good to be true. It too good for them pass up. So guess what? Them are going to take it and influence the youth them to take it also. Yeah.
Them me no force nobody me offer it. Them take it and run. Cold-hearted people. Them can't satisfy that a people. Them can't satisfy that a people.
Them can't satisfy cause them not have nothing. You forward and offer them something where you think. Yes.
Them can't satisfy for true. Because guess what? Them not have nothing to satisfy with. So when you forward and offer them bumbuckler things, where sound too good to be true, them are going to take it. Because them don't know no better. Them don't know no better, so you have to boss satisfy. Satisfy your bum clock. Go from us.
People, them can't satisfy that a people. Them can't satisfy that a people.
Them can't satisfy, cause them not have nothing. You forward to offer them something where you think. Hey, so you sting, go back down a L, sing, don't keep the link.
Go back down a L, sing, don't keep the link. Go back where you come from. Go back down a L, man. Yo, this is not a song, this is a fucking message, bro. Kartel play both part. Kartel sing both part. Like, yo, this guy's talented as fuck, bro. Like, come on, man.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. On heaven and earth say way. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory.
While you want try to conquer my soul,
your influential fi make the world know say come to my side a joy a free ride.
Death and destruction.
No, me nah lie.
What? Your name lie, your face lie, you that at your best.
Remember say
Man, say your name lie. Your face lie. You that at your best, you know. Yo.
Influential fi make the world know say come to my side a joy a free ride.
Death and destruction.
No, me nah lie.
What? Your name lie, your face lie, you that at your best.
Remember say you're a shooter. So nevertheless, if you're dead right now, you are come on my address.
Me a live forever, can be sold na fi bless me no.
Remember say ya what?
What? Your name lie, your
Side a joy a free ride.
death and destruction.
No, me nah lie.
What? Your name lie, your face lie, you that at your best.
Remember say you're a shooter. So nevertheless, if you're
Remember say you're a sinner, so so nonetheless, if you die, I might address you forward.
dead right now, you are come on my address.
Me a live forever, can be sold na fi bless me no love vanity.
Remember you drive Benz.
And no blood money buy.
Why you kill one of your friends?
You can
Oh, remember you drive Benz and a blood money by it. Remember you kill one of your friends. Wait, the man, wait.
me no love vanity.
Remember you drive Benz.
And no blood money buy.
Why you kill one of your friends?
You can't press me.
Press already, press again.
You can't press me. Press already, press again.
Money buy.
Why you kill one of your friends?
You can't press me.
Press already, press again.
Me no know about no crime, but make me ask this boy. Fi violate and still be friend of mine.
All me know when you do wrong.
Yo.
You can't press me.
Press already, press again.
Me no know about no crime, but make me ask this boy. Fi violate and still be friend of mine.
Me don't know about no crime, but me ask this. Boy, if you violate and still be friend of mine, boy, if you this and still be friend of mine, no, me have to cut that off. Me read the devil like time say no.
Me no know about no crime, but make me ask this boy. Fi violate and still be friend of mine.
All me know when you do wrong, me get strong. So run your gang, you're the man, King Kong.
Bumbo clot. Man say, all me know when you do wrong, me get strong. When you do wrong, me get strong. So run your gang, you're the man, King Kong. Oi. Remember say no, the devil get the most blame, you know. Satan Chang, you know. That's a Jamaican, one of Jamaican favorite proverb. Satan Changy, man. The devil's Changy, man. The man say when you do wrong, him get strong.
Na mine.
All me know when you do wrong, me get strong. So run your gang, you're the man, King Kong.
Temptation, situation, office stay strong. Vacant in relation to the Satan. Patience as a great man to the nation. Same plan, so you can't win.
To be good is hard, evil easy, believe me. Fuck discipline, sin still a win. Kingpin pan the pinnacle hard, evil easy, believe me. Fuck discipline, sin still a win. Kingpin pan the pinnacle, darkness we bring.
Satan, God nasty.
That's how
Our
we came.
Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. On
This is
heaven
my
and
bro.
earth say way. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory.
Bumbo clot. Which boy? Which boy, bro? Which boy can size up with the teach, bro? The man talented out of this fucking world, bro. Like, seriously, dog. Like, no fucking joke. Like, talented, bro. Like, bro, if you even think about the first line of that track here, you know, bro. The fuck? If you even come up with the first line of that track here, you know, bro. Like I said in the reaction, this is more than a fucking track. This is a message, dog. A message to the youth themselves. Yo, don't sell out. Keep your sanity. Keep your pride. Keep your dignity. Keep everything, boy, yo. Don't sell out, you know, hurt youths and youths. You see me? Yeah, man. Let's go and buckle. Let's go and buckle. Fight the fight. Yo, this is crazy, bro. Like, this is teacher, bro. What can I say? Cartel, big up. My God.